Transform your manufacturing strategy with Liquiflex vertical form fill seal equipment from Amcor. Precision, efficiency, and reliability are unparalleled with our advanced engineering, boasting lightning-fast setup, operation, and changeover times. Built with robust stainless steel construction, Liquiflex equipment guarantees longevity while upholding optimal sanitation standards. The machine's compact footprint maximizes production floor space. Compared to other standard vertical filling machines, Liquiflex equipment offers a 50% smaller footprint with 100% more output, revolutionizing manufacturing efficiency. The latest Liquiflex equipment enhancements feature a robust, upgraded door design and LED illumination to enable visualization of machine status from a distance. Safety is paramount with Liquiflex, and the built-in emergency stop protocol instantly halts production when the machine doors are opened. The spacious interior design allows easy access for maintenance and adjustments, further enhancing operational safety and efficiency. Unlike traditional chain drives found in competitive void rollers, Liquiflex employs an innovative belt drive system, reducing maintenance requirements and maximizing uptime. Band seal technology enables continuous sealing and effortless adjustments during forming collar changes. The main drives are controlled by two servo direct drive motors. Synchronized for accurate tracking and consistent tensioning, they enhance precision and contribute to less overall machine maintenance. Changeover downtime is dramatically reduced with the Liquiflex Quick Change forming collar, which reduces changeover time by 75% and comes standard with every Liquiflex model. Fast single-person changeovers reduce labor requirements and improve safety with no special equipment or tools required. And the efficient transition between products and bag sizes on a single Liquiflex line can facilitate production line consolidation, ultimately reducing manufacturing space requirements. Liquiflex advanced films are meticulously designed for synergistic performance on Liquiflex equipment. Amcor's proprietary 13-layer co-extrusion process produces crystal-clear film that can help achieve significant material cost and quality savings with virtually zero gauge bands. Liquiflex advanced films can be colored to improve product safety or printed for brand recognition. Our innovative film construction provides unmatched package strength and abuse resistance with up to 30% thinner film options available. Our thinner materials meet or exceed the performance of heavier gauge competitive films on equivalent product applications. This efficient machine and film duo produce less startup waste, fewer changeovers, and extended runtimes. From hot to cold fill, ambient to frozen distribution, the Liquiflex system is fully customizable to suit your production needs. With filled bag sizes ranging from 6 ounces to 33 pounds, Liquiflex is tailored for packaging versatility. The zero headspace pouches and flawless seals deliver superior food quality. Liquiflex equipment also minimizes product giveaway with a minimal plus or minus 1% fill accuracy. Complete your production setup and efficiently move bags downstream with Amcor-supplied exit conveyors. The intuitive Liquiflex HMI interface features the industry's largest touchscreen and responsive, on-the-fly modifications and size changes. Operators effortlessly manage film tracking adjustments at the touch of a button, facilitated by a unitized unwind assembly. The display's swivel mount allows customizable positioning for better operator ergonomics. Over 200 recipes can be accessed using the quick retrieval memory function, and new recipes are saved with a few simple clicks. The cutting-edge software provides real-time production data and graphical production history for manufacturing and performance insights. Spacious electrical and mechanical cabinets allow for easy machine maintenance and future expansion of downstream equipment. The electrical cabinet features trusted and reliable Allen Bradley components, controls, and kinetic servo drives. Built-in air cooling further guarantees a reliable, long-lasting machine life by preventing component overheating. The mechanical cabinet includes emergency stop protection as well as servo motors and belt-driven assemblies that require less maintenance. Integrate a thermal printer of your choosing for quality control and freshness tracking. Additionally, you can enhance brand graphics with registered print capability. Each machine comes standard with a registered print photo eye sensor. The machine's standard 6-inch roll mandrel and impulse sealer provide highly efficient roll changeovers that do not require the use of splicing tapes. Roll and film width changes are completed with minimal operators, improving convenience and productivity as well as reducing labor requirements. Reshape your manufacturing strategy with packaging equipment that secures bottom-line improvement and unparalleled flexibility. Discover Liquiflex for yourself. Visit us online to learn more and schedule a personalized demo at our Neenah Innovation Center.